Welcome to the 31 Days of Mindfulness program with me, Deb Phelps. This will be a transformative journey for you to discover the power of mindfulness and its impact on your daily life. I encourage you to do the practices each day and to notice, perhaps journal, on your experience. If you need further details, you can go to 31daysofmindfulness.com or debphelps.com. Thank you again for joining with me, and I wish you peace. Day 23, Mindful Nature Connection, Embracing the Earth's Wisdom. Start by finding a comfortable spot in nature, whether it's in your garden, a park, or a quiet corner of your balcony. Take a few moments to settle in. Close your eyes and deepen your breath. Turn your attention to the sounds around you. Listen to the rustling leaves, the singing birds, the whispering breeze. Simply absorb these sounds, letting them ground you in the present moment. Bring your attention to the physical sensations you can feel: the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle touch of the wind, or the solidity of the earth beneath you. As you take a deep breath in, visualize drawing energy from the earth. As you exhale, envision releasing any tension or negativity back into the ground, allowing the earth to neutralize it. In the last few moments of this meditation, open your eyes and look around. Observe the colors, the movements, the life that surrounds you. Let a sense of gratitude wash over you for this connection you share with the natural world. Through mindful nature connection, we recognize that we are not separate from the world around us, but an integral part of it. It's a beautiful reminder that we are indeed children of the earth. Embark on a life-changing journey with my mindfulness coaching alongside the 31 Days of Mindfulness program. Enhance your experience with personalized guidance, tailored meditation techniques, and one-on-one support to ensure you maximize the benefits of your mindfulness practice. Develop a deeper connection with yourself, reduce stress, and cultivate lasting inner peace as you transform your life. Don't miss this opportunity to unlock your full potential and create the balanced, fulfilling life you deserve. Sign up today for a complimentary discovery call and take the first step towards lasting transformation. You can do so at my website at debphelps.com.